Hey folks, what's up? It's Bagelsmith here, and I'm here with another 2 boxes of OP04 Kingdoms of Intrigue for the One Piece card game. And without further ado, let's get to cracking our first box here. You guys are doing well. This is box 6 and 7 of my case, so you'll be more than halfway after today. Do the case. Again, really fun opening so far. Have yet to see any of the special cards, hoping to see one today. We've already had a lot of 3-hit boxes, so maybe we'll get to see another one today, but there's the display. And let's get to cracking. Let's get to opening these packs. First rares are Kairos and Chaka. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, jeez. Okay. Always so scared. I feel like last video I was saying I was getting better at opening packs, but doesn't seem to be the case. Rares are Chaka and super rare Sabo. Okay. I feel like I'm going to go crazy because we're like halfway there to between OP04 and OP05. December is going to be crazy. Rares are King and super rare Yamato. That was a good rip. That was a good rip. Nothing like a good rip that leaves the like the booster pack wrapping in one piece. Get it? Rares are Amand and King. Oh, but you get it, right? One piece, as in, you know, it's less cleanup. Got it in one piece, but one piece. It's what we're opening right now. One piece. There's our Heavenly Fire and super rare Sanji. 5 packs in, we've already got 3 super rares. It's pretty decent so far. There's our Rebecca. Ooh, Rebecca and secret rare Vivi. Whoa. Another mighty reflective card here. Again, this is like our 3rd Vivi now, I think, that we've gotten. Probably should expect at least one more after this one, but regardless, nice hit. Of course, getting Vivi doesn't mean anything. You have no idea what this box is still. Or at least I would want more alternate art, but it could be anything. It could be absolutely anything. Where's our Treno and Treble? I think I see a Dawn back there. Usually I can tell by feel whether these packs have a Dawn in it, and I'm pretty sure this is one of them. Yep. Rare Senior Pink and Zoro, and our first alternate art Dawn of the pack. Nice hit. Okay. There's our Frankie. Ooh, Frankie. Ooh, an alternate art Diamante. You guys remember this guy from Dressrosa? I forget if it was Doflamingo's right-hand man, but pretty decent looking card art. Flip it this way so you can see him. I honestly don't remember much about him. I know he fought Kairos, I'm pretty sure. I think. Yeah, nice pull. All right, we got our alternate art. Anything else is really bonus. Not going to expect much here. We still have some super rares to pull and our alternate art Dawn, but I think that's about it. Here's our Miss Valentine and Cavendish. There's our ulti and treble. Okay, got excited. Hold on. This card. Good thing we already pulled the rares in here, or the alternate arts, really. Where's our Beiji and King? Look, guys, I just get so excited about opening One Piece cards. I can't control it. Can't control it sometimes. There's our Kairos and Kinemon. Come on, Sanji. Oh, there we go. There's our Spiderweb and Colors Trap. Get another very nice rip. There's our Mr. 5 and Monkey D. Luffy. Rares are Olin and super rare Pell. All right. 2/3 of the way through the box. Probably still looking for a couple super rares and at least one more down. Okay. Rares are Gum Gum Bedrock and Missile Sunday. Rares are Badmanner's Kick Course and Igaram. Rares are Igaram and Cavendish. Rares are Diamante and Rebecca. All right, final stretch here. 4 more packs to go. Let's see what we get. Rares are Miss Valentine and Kick Course. Carefully, carefully. Okay. Rares are Spiderweb and Olin. Second to last pack. Okay, rares are Frankie and Ulti, and we have our second alternate art Dawn card. All right, last pack, and remember, I'll go straight into the second box after this, so stick around. Rares are Beiji and super rare Kaido. All right, thanks for waiting. Here is box number 2. First box was pretty standard. One alt art and one secret rare, but let's see if we can do any better in this box. Come on. I know this is more for me. You guys don't really see this. There we go. Bam. Open our first pack. First rares are Kinemon and Mr. 5. Focus up. Rares are Bad Mannered Kick Course and super rare Luffy. Whoa. Rares are Red Rock and super rare Pell. Rares are Diamante and Cavendish. Oh, focus. Okay. Rares are Igaram and Cavendish. Here's our Olin and Miss Valentine. Come on, Tom. There we go. There's our Spiderweb and super rare Yamato. There's our Senior Pink and super rare Miss All Sunday. Well, pretty slow start here. So far, all super rares, though. Got 4 already. I guess it's nice to get them out of the way. So this focuses. There we go. There's our Rebecca and super rare Sabo. Oh, here's our Igaram and secret rare Corazon. I think this is the second one, I think, that we've got the normal secret rare. But yeah, nice first hit of the box. And once again, our first hit's a secret rare, so we don't really have any clue what type of box this is. Not yet, at least. Say, struggle here. Carefully struggle. Okay. Come on. Where's our Senior Pink and Zoro? Here's our Bartolomeo and Who's Who. We are halfway through the box now. Only a secret rare so far and super rares. Slow and alternate art. Haven't seen any alternate art dons either. Still lots to pull. There's our Miss Valentine and Cavendish. Oh. There's our Heavenly Fire and Diamante. And our first alternate art don. Rares are Beiji and super rare Doflamingo. Rares are Mr. 5 and Chaka. 2/3 of the way through. Rares are King and Spiderweb. Rares are Amand and King. Rares are Colors Trap and Olin. Come on, Tom. Rares are Bad Manners Kick Course and Igaram. Next to go. 4 more packs to go. I'm keeping track right. These should be potentially loaded packs back here. Rares are Treble and Frankie for this. All right. Rares are Ulti and alternate art Sabo. Of course, if you watched my other videos, you know I've already pulled the manga Sabo. But I think this alternate art is just as good. I just love how colorful it is. Almost looks painted. Yeah, a really gorgeous card. It's a really nice hit. Okay, that was our alternate art hit. Not expecting much else. At least our Dawn card, our alternate art Dawn. We need one more. Maybe a super rare, but that's it. Whoa. There's our Tyranno and super rare Crocodile. And the last pack. Let's see what we get. Well, it's at least the Dawn. It's gotta be. There's our Treble and Kairos and our second alternate art Dawn. All right, folks, in the cap off the video, let's review our pulls from each box, starting with the first box. Of course, we have our 2 alternate art Dawns. Our super rares in order we pulled them. And then our hits, secret rare Vivi in our first box, and alternate art Diamante for our character alt. Some nice hits there. And then in the second box we just did, of course, we start with our 2 alternate art Dawns, and then our 7 super rares in order we pulled them. Then our hits, secret rare Corazon and alternate art Sabo. So that's it for this video, folks. Let me get these spread out here. Of course, not as hot as some of our earlier boxes in the first half of this in this case opening as it unravels on the channel here. I'll do my best. I'm okay with Diamante being in somewhat of the spotlight there. Let's put I don't know, down here. Here better. It's kind of better. But thank you for watching. Maybe we'll get some 3-hit boxes in the next video, but I'm pretty happy with this. I'm pretty happy with the Sabo. Definitely my favorite of this lot right here. But yeah, catch you next week for another 2 boxes, and after that I'll be finishing off the case. So I'm opening 3 boxes in one video, so a lot of cards to open. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and until the next one, good morning, afternoon, evening. Stay happy, stay healthy, drink water, make sure you eat right, eat your fruits and vegetables, and sleep 7 to 8 hours. Do not forget it.